What's that feeling that I get? My heart is drowning in regret. Hands are shaking, eyes are full of shame. Lost myself, but I don't care. I'm gone.